to show you how to play Stuck on You by Lionel Richie. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. Right hand, you're going to have F, G, and then an F chord, C, F, A. Now your F chord is F, A, C, but we're going to put the C down here in the thumb. F, G, F chord, and then repeat the A, then an A minor chord, and repeat the A. So the A minor chord is A, C, E, and we've got the A up there, so we're keeping it up there. So we go to F chord, A minor chord, and then we're going to a B flat chord, but all we'll play in the right hand is a D and an F, and then a C chord, and we'll play just the E and the G. And then back to the F, G, A, G, A, F, D, C, D, straight up the scale now. C, D, E, F, G, A, and then the melody kicks in. From this A, you drop down to this A, and it's in his range for Lionel Richie's melody there. A, C, C. So there we go into the melody right there. Now let's get the left hand for that intro. You've got F, C, A, E, then B flat, F, C, G. Now in the letter notes, I just have written as a chord F, C, and the A, E, and the B flat F, but I think it sounds better to keep that going through. I ran out of room to get it onto that line, so I put them together, but it sounds better if you stagger them right there. And you hit the F, C, so you F, C, quickly, F, C, A, E, so when you come up to this A, you go from the C down to the F right there, and then you're into the melody. Now, for the song, mostly you just play a bass note F, A, B flat, C, F, and those are the F chord, A minor chord, B flat chord, C chord. So if you were accompanying somebody. Somebody was singing and you wanted to accompany him, you can put the chords in the right hand and the left hand bass. I've got the melody, so I just have the bass with the melody. And then there's a fill right there. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's go over the melody. A, C, 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 B flat, B flat, B flat, A, 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 G, 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 F, D, C, A, C, E, F, C, D. And then there's a fill there, and then we come in again, A, C, C, D, A, C, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, A, 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 G, 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 F, F, D, C, A, C, E, F, C, D. A, G, F, D, F, and then they do it again with just a few rhythmic changes. Got the bridge melody. Now the bridge melody starts up here on this F. F, F, E, D, C, B flat, C, 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 A, C, A. F, 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 E, E, D, C, A. F, 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 E, D, C, 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 A, B. A, B flat, B flat. So you've got B flats, a lot of them there. F, melody for that that tag verse, but all he does is go up there. F, C, D, changes it just a little bit. Now let's put the melody with the bass, and we'll get onto it. We've got the intro already. Go to the C, so you got F, A, B flat, and you go to the C, and then G, C, D, E, D, C, G, and hold it back, don't rush it. And that last one, needed a friend, he just kind of staccatos that. Needed a friend. Another fill between the two verses, and you hit, and then go all the way up here and hit a G pickup, a G into the A right there. So G, A, G, F, G, A, G, F, D, then C, D, F, G, F, D, C, D, F, back up to the A, G, F, G, A, G, F, D, C, D, F, D, C, crossover A, G, F, and you're into the second verse. So with the bass, you'll have A, F, A, B flat, C, same thing. So we got, so we have, right at the end of that fill where we go, just like the first verse. But here we're going to go to a B flat chord to a C7 chord. And all I'm going to play on the C7 is the G, B flat, C. Here's your C7, C, E, G, B flat. So I'm leaving out the E. I'm just playing that because I'm going from a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. I'm going to play F, B flat, D. So we've got and in the bass we're going to go from a B flat to a C, and then we go back to the B flat, and we're right into this bridge. Now here we're going to go up to the F right there, E, and walk it down, C. So we're going to go B flat, C, F, E, D, C, B flat, C, F, E, D, C, D, C, D, B flat, C, and it'll fit with the melody. I'll show you how we've got. So right there with that C we go. Come back again. Now here we'll fill with. Goes from a D to a C, D to a C, D, and in the right hand you're just filling there. So we get from that. melody comes in with, and then this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. So we've got the B flats, all of that's on B flat. And the B flat goes together right there. And then it goes right into the next verse, the last verse. So you hit the, we're on the C and you go to the F, but before you go to the F right there. You hit the E again, the F, stuck on. Then we're into the melody regularly. Except he turns it up there. Then we're back. So he turns it up to the C and back to the A. So let's get into it. We've got same thing for the tag. Then slow it down. Don't finish that out, just G, F, G, F, D, C. And then roll an F chord. So to roll that chord, we'll go F, C, F in the left hand, A, C, F in the right hand. And then end it with this little FGA tag. I ran out of room on that line on the letter notes, so I just have two. I have it to play it 2 times. You play it 2 times, so we end up. There you got your chord, F, C, F, A, C, F. Roll it. So we've got. You have it, Stuck on You by Lionel Richie. Beautiful song by a great artist. Hope you enjoy it.